Let's run through the kit that we put in the vehicle. On the hoist today, we have a 2024 Volkswagen NF Amarok, and we're taking the factory GVM of 3,350 kilo to 3,800 kilo. An increase of 450 kilograms and our maximum GVM upgrade capacity available for this vehicle. The owner is a tradie and wants to set this vehicle up so it's safe, legal, and still performs well while carrying everything they need for work and occasional play. Some of the things the owner constantly carries are ladders, awnings, a bunch of heavy tools, and on-site luxuries like a fridge and fully self-sufficient battery system. Let's run through the kit that we're putting on here and the optional extras so you can see what goes into a GVM upgrade. Looking front to back, because this tradie also travels off-road, we put our Outback Armour GVM specific adjustable bypass struts on the front. With 20 plus stages of adjustment, it'll mean that the changing loads and the ever-changing roads that this customer goes will be like floating on pillows. The springs on the struts are our Expedition springs. They are available in a heavier variant like our Expedition HDs, but in this case, the spring is sufficient for the bull bar this customer has on the Amarok. An optional extra that you could add to the kit will be our Outback Armour upper control arms. Easily identifiable by the anodized orange cap, and these help with wheel alignment by giving 3-degree of caster. Included in the GVM upgrade is our center bearing spacer kit. Then moving to the rear of the vehicle, we've fitted our GVM upgraded leaf springs, striker pads, U-bolts, pins, bushes, and greasable shackles. The rear shock options for this vehicle are the same as the fronts, and they are our Outback Armour adjustable bypass shocks. Something to note is that this 3800 GVM upgrade kit is available with Outback Armour digressive shocks. These have stone shields, cooling grooves, and some specialist shock tuning. They are non-adjustable, but like I said, there's some specialist shock tuning voodoo that engineers here developed, which means the harder they work, the better they go. It's really a personal preference of which shock you prefer. Part of the GVM upgrade process is that we're required to change out the vehicle's indicators with these Cat 6 indicators. If you have a Core and Life variant fitted with a factory tub, you'll require these reverse light relocation bracket with Outback Armour insignia. Optional extras not fitted to this vehicle include upper control arms, as I said before, and progressive rate bump stops. Did you know we're one of the few suspension companies that even do progressive rate bump stops? These are designed to soak up any unexpected whoops and avoid that heavy contact between vehicle components. That's what's in the kit of our Volkswagen NF 3800 GVM Upgrade, and it includes our mandatory components and optional extras. We've been the suspension choice for armed forces and security teams around the world for years. If we can have a 10-ton vehicle performing well on a battlefield, it's a no-brainer to go with us for your vehicle's GVM. Give your closest Outback Armour dealer a call and never go alone again when you go with Outback Armour.